Hey, what's going on, guys? We are making our very powerful Google Cloud Link package even better. We are going to do this by simply giving Google what it wants. We have already had a positive response with this service from our dashboard members on marketercenter.com, and our clients are getting results. But we always strive to raise the level of excellence and detail in our services. Google is always changing, and so should our SEO services. If you are a local business owner who is doing SEO for themselves or a local SEO agency, then you already should know how important it is to make sure that your company or your client is ranking and getting calls from their GMB listing. With all the new changes to the local SERPs, your Google My Business listing, and other Google platforms and properties, one thing is very clear. Google wants to keep you on Google, which is why we recommend our Google Cloud Link package to be included with every local SEO campaign. Your Google My Business listing has already been through massive changes in the last year and will continue to change. These changes gives us new opportunity to leverage what Google loves, which is itself, to push authority, trust, and rankings to your Google listing. Local business reviews are crucial to any local SEO strategy. Google trusts your business reviews on their own platform, so we will use them in the Google Cloud Link package. With that being said, let's jump into our first of many updates on and how we'll utilize these Google reviews within the package that we sell. We come over here to our client, the gun range here in Sacramento. We see that this is their Google, this is what's called the Google site. This is one of the properties included in the Google Cloud Link package. Every single property that's created on the Google Cloud Link package is detailed. It's beautiful. It's nice enough to show your client. It's nice enough to rank and for visitors to click on and see and get your business information and click the call or get more information about your business. These are something that you can show off. They're not spammy looking. They're very, very nice. They're branded with colors. You know, we do everything we can to make sure that these are legit properties that you can show off to your client and to people. And they can drive phone calls. But on top of that, these properties drive authority and trust to your Google My Business listing and your website. So we're going to go over one of the updates again, like I said, on the Google site and how we're going to use your Google reviews on the Google site within the Google Cloud Link package. If you scroll down, I'm going to kind of show you a little bit how we optimize this. We have the introduction to your company here, links to the homepage, links to your Google map listing here with the address. We go down and we have some links to driving direction maps. So these are actually, these are not embeds. These are actually just anchor text links from different neighborhoods in the city going to the actual business. So it just brings a lot of local relevance, kind of pushes that through to the business because this is all connected to the gun range, their GMB listing. So it all ties back together. And because this map pack, because this directional map is local, it's just going to help us rank throughout the city regardless of where our client is located. So we do tons of work to make sure that our Google sites are optimized for local search. We also embed your website into the Google site. As you hear, it is an actual live website embed that you can actually use and click on and view the actual client website here. And so that ties together this Google property with the website, which is very powerful. We have services on the website that we list out, we talk about, and then we link to each service page with images. And remember, the images that we put into this Google site and across your Google properties, they're all fully optimized. They are dropped into a folder within the Google Drive. But before we do that, they are fully optimized with location data, geo data, name, address, phone number, links to the map listing, links to reviews, proper titles and subjects and tags. So we do everything we can to make sure we optimize these images before dropping them into your Google site and other Google properties. So we want to show you this update here. We are going to start utilizing Google reviews within our Google Cloud Link packages, and we're going to link to each individual review from these different properties. Think of your GMB listing as a homepage, if you will, like your front page. Everybody is linking to the homepage of the listing, which is important. You should do that, but nobody's driving. We got to drive links to pretty much all the links within your listing there. So we're going to go ahead and feature reviews right here on your Google site. This does two things. Obviously, it's great for SEO because we're driving internal links to your Google My Business page, your Google My Business listing. But also, when visitors, if they ever land on this site here, they're going to see listing some reviews here, and it's going to build trust with people actually visiting this site. So each picture here is actually linking out to a internal link, which is a review on your GMB. This review here is connected to the gun ranges GMB. You see the correlation here and the link going back to the actual homepage of the GMB there. So we have this, we have 4 reviews here within the Google site, and we're gonna also include reviews in other properties, but in this video, I'm just gonna show you this property to keep the video short enough. And then we're gonna add a link here on the very bottom. Pretty much that's gonna take you to the home page, or not the home page, but the page that holds all the reviews. So with inside your GMB listing, you have a reviews page, and this is it right here. This pretty much shows all reviews on your listing. And so we're going to go ahead and include a link there. This is very powerful because, again, we want to push links throughout your GMB property, not just the homepage. And again, these internal links to these reviews, Google's going to know that this is going on, and this is spread across your Google properties and your website. So all this stuff is just going to drive tons of trust, tons of authority, and local relevance. And it's just going to let Google know that you're actually using their platform. Like, they're giving you these links for a reason to share them. So Google's very stubborn. They want you to stay on their platform. They want you to utilize their platform, and all the tools that they give you, they want you to use them. If you are using all their tools, chances are your competitors are not, and you're going to outrank and outdo your competitors in your local area. So this is just something we do to keep you on top of the game, and we're going to add to it as we go. This is the first video of updates, but when we want to keep you informed about, we are staying on top of this. We are utilizing these reviews. We are making sure that we're using the Google property in your favor to help you crush your local rankings and get calls and get traffic to these GMB listings. And again, going down, we have more services, more links to inner pages of the website, video. So we just make sure we utilize this Google site in every way we can. We have links going pretty much everywhere here. On the very bottom, we have other properties within your within your CloudLink package. These are all embedded into the Google site. So we have a slide here. We have a drawing. We have I think this is a PDF. We have this is a sheet that we use. So we have all these things. We have a my map here. Let's see here. So check out our my map real quick, and I'll let you guys go. So we have directions from different locations to kind of help with GMB rankings when people are not near your business for proximity searches. Like if somebody's not too close to your business and they're searching for you, these just kind of help build relevance across the town. If you come down here, we see our internal linking to the website, and we have a bunch of all these layers here. And each layer, we also put photos and video. So if you click on this one here, you'll see photos here. We do video if needed. So we have 9 photos in here and 1 video. This is inside your GMB. This is inside your My Map here. So we optimize these photos and place them in the layers of your My Map. That's just something I want to bring up in this video real quick to show you that we fully optimize these properties. So that's it for this update. If you guys have any questions, concerns, let us know. Go to marketercenter.com, get a hold of us there, and hopefully we'll talk soon. And go to marketercenter.com and /Google Cloud Links to order your package today. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.